baby. Hit it.
Okay, we are here in sunny Boston on a lovely summer's day. The ground is definitely dry and we can definitely ride to our full potential. So let's have some fun. So what we're going to be doing today is having a game of bike, but with a twist. So we're going to be doing that on each other's bikes. So we're going to swap bikes and have a game of bike. So this should be fun because Matt's brakeless with a free coaster. I am cassette with a brake, and the pegs are on the wrong side for each other. So let's do this. Oh, also, there was a comment on Instagram saying do a flare no-hander. Shall I just get that out of the way before we start the video?
Yeah, go on then. What are you going to do?
So I reckon I'll just do it on this one. So, should I just do it? Just do it? Just do it. Just go straight for it? Just do it. Yeah?
Don't even put your helmet on.
No.
Pull hard!
So, what do you reckon?
Just like, pew!
Yeah? I reckon I got this.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah? Let's go.
Yeah, bro. Oh, that's so good.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
That couldn't have been any better.
Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping.
Okay, so the ground is a little bit slippy, not gonna lie.
It's not ideal.
I did not expect that. But we're still gonna do this flare tuck no under, so let's do it.
Get it.
Quite confident. I think just go for it.
Yeah, bro.
Pull hard, full extension.
Yeah.
And then let's land this.
Job's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Yeah. Just can't believe he's going for this trick. This is gnarly. This is. Pull hard. Woo! Whoa, that was gnarly. You nearly had that. I mean, you didn't land it. Whoa.
I thought I landed it.
Yeah, you nearly rolled away, apart from the fact your bike's backwards. What a spectacle.
It's alright, man. I just can't flare no under.
Yeah, mate.
These things are going to happen.
A few moments later.
Right, so after I didn't land the flare no hander, we're just going to get on with the game of bike. So I'm going to be going on Matt's bike, and Matt's going to be going on mine.
The midget bike.
Shall we rock, paper, scissors, Lucas first?
Yeah, go.
Shall on 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I win. Right. I'm just going to go for a feeble on the box there. Fakey.
Yeah, go for it.
Alright, let's do this.
Yes, on. Mate, you look so small on that bike.
I landed it. That was so sketchy.
I know you did.
Right, it's gonna try and do this. You know, when I landed, my foot went forward and it felt like I was gonna pedal, and oh, it's terrible.
Alright, before I roll off of this, are we doing 2 attempts or 1?
Right,
1 to set and 2
1
to
to set, 2 to have a go.
Yeah. I tried to turn it up. This is my first attempt, might not be ready. Dang me.
You better do it, this go.
Sliding.
Oh yeah, the plastic. Nice.
I'm gonna do a pedal stall on that corner there.
So say what?
Pedal stall on that corner.
A pedal stall. Are you being serious?
So the side that hasn't got pegs.
On there? In the wet?
But that corner's the only one that's not wet.
But you got to get speed to get up to the top
Yeah,
of it.
this is what I'm thinking. I'm gonna put it on there, which is quite
You've
wet.
said it. You've said it now.
I'm gonna get up there first.
Well then, you got this.
I would feel more comfortable on my own bike, I'm not gonna lie.
you didn't do
I
it.
don't know why I didn't jump. I don't know why I jumped off.
So, not gonna lie, this quarter is quite high. So I'm
bigger than you.
I'm 5'7". Believe it or not, I'm actually 5'7". And
I wasn't a bird attack. I think I can land next try. I'm landing.
all right.
Hang on, let me just come back down. Oh my god.
What even was that?
Your bike is so small.
Right. Oh,
I'm gonna loop.
So fakey from that to the quarter.
Go on then. I'm a cassette champion as well, so.
I thought I was going to come off the side. That was not very dramatic. It was just really shit. And,
yeah, but me trying to do it on a
horrible.
cassette.
But yeah, the fun thing is going to be Matt trying it on a cassette. So that's why I did it. Oh, he's put his foot down. Oh, damn.
So annoying.
Are we playing bike, aren't we?
Yeah.
So that's BI.
That's so annoying. Let's do it, fellas.
Right, he's going to pedal stall this big ramp again.
Brake, that's why.
Hey?
Still pulled the brake.
Oh.
Dang you and your. I've got to come down from it again now.
I think it's more fun watching Matt come down the ramp.
Dang you and your stupid brake. You don't have the brake there. Alright, I'm not going to pull the brake next time.
The fingers are I reckon double peg the top and down.
No, just do.
double peg grind.
Yeah. Oh, right, okay, go on.
Oh, that's so hard.
Was the trick meant to be to go down as well?
Yeah. When
okay,
you're
that's good
used
then.
to leaning one way,
Yeah.
it just went straight off.
Yeah.
Right then, you're set.
Do you want to try this again? Shall I try it again?
No brake. Oh, counts. Okay, there's two reasons I don't want to try this. Number one, the pedal that I'm going to be putting down is the ankle that I've hurt, and number two, it's on your bike. Pretty fucking scary.
And you don't think you're scary on your bike?
I could when you was at the top.
Tiny.
When you was at the top there, yeah, you was literally shaking like this. You was terrified for your
That
life.
quarter is, I think, about the size of me. It's taller than me. Yeah, so that quarter is taller than myself. Are you going for it? Good lad. Oh, you got it, this guy.
The predator in this car.
Pull back. Oh, Yeah. I don't mind a little hand plant in there.
Bit faster to make it at once.
Yeah, I don't feel like I'm gonna be able to do that on a cassette. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh,
was that not your set? Oh,
No,
that's fine.
that was just for the banter.
Oh, okay.
Double peg to fakie?
Go for it. I mean, I didn't land the feeble, so I'm not gonna land the double peg. Sketchy little fucker.
The problem is as well is you need all your weight on this shoulder.
Yeah.
That's the shoulder that's fucked.
Let's do
It just doesn't do anything.
270 over this little hip.
You know.
Over here. 270.
Fuck that shit. Oh, foot down. You should have done that, man.
The dreaded foot.
That was pretty cool.
Literally every single trick I do, that foot comes off.
Nice.
Alright, what are you gonna do?
I'm sort of running out of tricks. Like,
These dang opposite
I'm
bikes.
limited because of how wet it is.
Yeah,
and
it's
then,
not ideal, is it?
And then you're not on your bike, so you don't know what you can do. Alright, I'm going to nose press to fakie.
Go for it. Where are you doing the nose on the top of the box?
On the
Oh.
top there.
Alright then. Not bad.
Alright.
Yeah.
That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know.
Oh! Why do you keep putting your foot down?
I don't, it's because the bike's so small. I feel like I'm balanced on it. Oh my god.
Oh, meh. Right, it's Matt's on a K. I think this could be an easy win for me. Go on then, set something really cool. Oh! That was alright. I like that.
Probably I fucking didn't land
No,
a
I've got-
nose press to fakie. That's so embarrassing.
I want to
Oh.
look where you are.
Okay. I better move that. Oh.
It's got no off with me.
That's that dang big bike for you. It doesn't spin as easy as this. You look like you're on GTA. San Andreas, riding a little BMX around.
I'm going to drive by and put
Doof, 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 doof. Ding, 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 ding. Are you gonna do a speed bump, yeah? What's his name? Carl Johnson. Come on, CJ. Yo. Nice. Nice.
Can't put that in. Right. Alright then. We should end on a banger.
Like.
We're faking the whole lot.
There was one last trick I was going to do, but now I'm not going to get to do it because I'm not going to be able to do this. No, don't worry.
You might land this still.
Not likely. Yes! No! Okay. I'm gonna do.
Like a tiny little bit of speed would have done that.
Yeah.
We're gonna do
I'm gonna do your favourite trick in the world.
flat.
No.
1K subs is gonna do it.
I'm gonna do the 180 slider thing.
Oh no, I can't do this. That'd be me on a letter.
Well, I say I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna attempt it. I don't know. I might do it here because it's a bit more wet.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying? Lubrication.
Yes, boy.
I haven't done it on a cassette for so long.
Right, I'm quite happy he didn't land that because I can't do that trick. I reckon I'll go for this fakey thing again.
Yeah, go on.
But I'll do it the other way. From the big ramp to the little ramp.
Hope you fall off.
You know what?
Oh. Nice. Watch me. The thing that worries me. Alright, so we're faking from that ramp to that ramp, yeah? Do I have to go over the box?
No? No? I mean, I'm going to put this bike like right here. But, I mean, you don't have to.
That's fine, I can live with that.
Inconveniently placed. Obstacle course. Oh. You get 3 goes because you get your mulligan as well. Oh. Last go. Okay, this is his last go. Oh.
I'm a professional.
Okay, I win.
I'm still going to land this trick.
Sit back. Okay guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. And this is the part you're not going to see in the video. Alright. What do you reckon?
I reckon get yourself into like a messed up turn down position.
I would have been here.
Yeah. I think get yourself into like a sort of fucked up turn down sort of thing. Yeah, that's good. Now twist the bars. Yep, yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's all like that. That's kind of good. That's kind of good. Perfect. I'll come in from where I was.